Hello guys, today we're going to be reviewing this 2023 Ford Bronco Big Bend. I can already tell you this has a nice feel to it. Seats feel good. Just push button start. So let's get it crunk up, take a look at it. Let's make sure the light switches are on here. Yep, there we go. Alrighty. So this Bronco Big Bend is finished in the Area 51 color. I do love the headlights and how the fog lamps, they're really bright. I am gonna do a night video as well. That way I can show you guys how it look on from the inside and outside at night. We have Continentals. What size in the front? 225, 55. Oh no, 225 65 rim size 17 on the front, and then we have 225 65 17s in the back as well. I really do like how Ford gave the Bronco that up shell. Gives you a little bit more room in the back. Love the racks on top, so if you're taking anything or you're planning to have a long trip, you have extra storage on top. So the back here, you can actually open the back two different ways. You have this glass screen here, which you can just open up just like that. Take a peek on the inside, close it, or you can open it, make sure that's closed, yeah. Or you can open the actual door. And they did the Bronco exactly how they did the F-150. You have basically a big ruler here, and then you can use it halfway, all the way, or you can just take this completely out, but we're gonna leave it in. Cargo mat, cargo tray, and then up under there we do have a spare tire and jack, as well as a funnel for your gas. One LED switch here. We have a 12 volt there, clampers in case you have anything in the back, and lighting button for extra lighting. It's a nice little loading size. Put stuff in very easy. And I think, if I'm speaking correctly, if you lay both seats down and you actually move this tray out, and you can put two mountain bikes in the back if you take the front wheel off, and they'll just fit right in perfect. That's really good if you ask me. There's no power lift gate, but all you gotta do, you got either left, you can use either your left hand or your right hand to close this trunk, and boom, there it goes, closed in there. Let's go take a look on the inside. Oh, and another thing too is no more gas cap. All you have to do is literally come, put your gas in, close, done. Do have nice interior holder there, power windows all the way around. These are like cloth seats. We got extra storage back here in the back. That's pretty nice in case you got to put anything extra in the back and then you don't want one to see. Zip it up. We have a USB-C and USB charging ports there. Do not have your own climate control, but you do have your climate vents in the back. Let's take a look. My seat's actually pushed all the way back. As you can tell from the passenger seat, it's a little bit forward, but I still, legs are touching the seat. It's not too bad. I'm about 6 foot, so that's where it all comes from. Take a look at that nice area. I would tell you this though, as I'm sitting in the back, I do have a tremendous amount of headroom. Like, this is probably the most headroom I've had ever sitting in the back of the car. Here you have your armrest, 2 cup holders. Nice size. Easy to get in and out of. It said that this thing isn't closed all the way, so let's make sure. This goes. There it goes. So with the Big Bends, let's take a look up under the hood. Pull the latch twice, which is pretty good. Pretty easy to do as well. Let's take a look up under this hood. Under this hood, we do not have no adjustable shocks, but we do have a hood pin here. And this is a 1.5 3-cylinder engine, has about 181 horsepower and 190 foot-pounds of torque. Same clean engine. Still a lot of room around it as well. I love how they did the Bronco badge on the front with white letters. Really stands out. No power mirrors either. Oh, do have a driver's seat with lumbar support cushioning. Power windows all the way around the vehicle. We can adjust the side mirrors. There we go. Extra room, 2 extra charging ports there, USB-C and UVA. GOAT modes for all your drivetrains. Drive switchings, my bad, my apologies. Your drive modes. You have normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand. I'm gonna leave it on normal today because the vehicle only has 10 miles on it, so I want to keep it fresh for the new owner. You have your auto stop and hold there, parking brake, rotary shifter, which the only thing that I hate is if you keep spinning, it just continually spins. We'll leave it at that. Heated seats for driver and passenger, full controls here for your temperature, climate, defrost, rear frost, extra space here. I'm gonna turn that auto start and stop off. Don't really like driving with it. Oh, do have a wireless charger there, but the phone's hooked up to Apple CarPlay. Heated seats, extra room there. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. I love how you could tilt these back and forth, turn it to open and close. Glove compartment room in there. Power locks are right here. Lock and unlock. You can unlock the privacy glass at the back. All your main switches, your lane keep assist, toggles and everything here. Windshield wipers, pull it in for your fluid, which is normal. Turn signal up and down. And then on the side of here, if you push it in, it'll tell you lane keep system off, but I'm gonna turn it right back on. There we go. Do have a power shade, which is really good. With the Bronco, let's open it up. This vehicle gets about 25 city miles per gallon, 28 highway, and a total of 26 combined together. Obviously this vehicle's MSRP is going to be around $37,000 with all of these options that are on it. But enough was talking, let's get this baby on the road. All right. Still a full 360 to see turning radius, which is phenomenally pretty good. It's pretty good. Let's check out the backup camera. Oh, the backup camera is nice. You have your parking sensors in the rear. Yeah, the backup camera is really, really nice. Let's take it on the spin. Sorry if that sunlight is really, really bright. It's only this area that does it. I love the little engine noise that it has. Feels really good. If you can tell on the top, I love how it has the budge in the hood. Just gives it more of that off-road type of feel. Adjust this camera just a little bit. There we go. So ride quality is pretty nice, other than it just feels a little stiff. Not too terrible. You can feel it just a little bit. But as you guys can hear, there isn't much road noise. Let's back the seat up just a hair. than that, it's really good. The Apple CarPlay turned off again. It's telling me to unlock my phone. So there we go. Maybe it's the charge. They just bought this from a gas station, and you guys know how those gas station chargers work sometimes, and sometimes they don't. My brightness is turned all the way up for my screens here. There isn't much road noise. I would say I'm kind of happy that Ford put bigger, like meaty tires on the vehicle. I do have my safety features on. There's no complaints about it. I can see over the hood pretty good with my seat fully adjusted. Let's work on this rear view camera and the rear view mirror. Set, guys. Got to give it a little punch. Oh, that got up and go pretty good. Blind spot monitoring in my side mirrors turn orange when the car is directly in my blind spot. See how the cruise control works. So I have adaptive cruise control in here as well. As you guys can see, there's 3 lines, and that's the distances that I want to stay from behind the car that's in front of me. So as you guys see, I have 1 lane there, which means I want to stay 1 line behind that, 1 car length behind the car that's in front of me. Oh, let's turn that back on. My apologies. Now it says I want to stay 3 cars from behind the car that's in front of me. As you guys can see right here, lane keep assist is actually on too, and it's turning red, and I'm getting vibration in the steering wheel to say, hey, you're driving over the lane. And now the vehicle's slowing down without me pressing the brake to keep that 3 car distance away. Let's turn it down to 1, and you'll see that the car Bronco goes up a little faster. It's actually braking now again. That is the adaptive cruise control working. All right, let's turn that off. What we call. Well, other than that, I mean, if you need in this vehicle just to go like kayaking, mountain biking, hiking, this is a nice, comfortable, mid-size vehicle, you know, compact. I don't have any complaints about it. Me personally, none at all, other than I wish there was like power mirrors. So, I mean, you are paying about $37,000 for this vehicle. Other than that, it rides really nice. Let's actually check out the sound system on here. Let's take a look. This is all the way turned up, okay? Turn it down halfway, see what that sounds like. give it half throttles. There we go. I'm gonna do a quick little 0 to 60. As you guys see, it got up to 60 pretty nice. Nice, easy. No complaints there. How'd you guys like that audio system? Pretty cool, right? Another thing too is if you guys have any car videos that you want to see me do, all you have to do is comment down below. I'll be sure to get to it. But yeah, this Bronco Sport, there's no complaints about it. No complaints other than, I mean, Ford's probably already working on it. They tested this vehicle to be durable, built tough, as they say. And the car, I mean, it holds up to they classify it to be, you know. The car feels smooth. The 8-speed transmission that it has shifts perfectly. There's no complaints there. Feels very, very smooth. I mean, say if you're looking to own this car, it's a nice one. Forgot how sharp this corner is. There's a uphill, feels pretty good. And the bumps actually feel really, really good. You know, I mean, if you guys live up north or a lot of places where they have a lot of potholes, I will say that this vehicle, when you hit a pothole, it feels like there's nothing there. I mean, it feels really, really good. The braking on it feels pretty good. No complaints there. Really soft touch there. Yeah, this Big Benz feels really good. Feels tight, you know. That's what the vehicle's made for, especially if you're going to take it off-roading at all. But other than that, I really don't have nothing bad on the Bronco. I mean, the only thing that I wish it would have came with is like a better steering wheel, but other than that, it's pretty good. Feels pretty solid. Gonna be the end of today's video. All I'm gonna do is hit the power off now. Unfortunately, check rear seats for occupants. The only thing that I will say too that I wish it did have was on the key fob here. I know you can lock it here. It's locked. But I wish it would have had remote start from the key fob. Unfortunately, it does not, but you do get the Ford Pass app, which you can remote start it from your phone. But that's one thing I wish it would have had. And all you gotta do is lock, unlock, and that's gonna be wrap today's video. Hit the like and thumbs up if you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.